What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to set a default image template in GIMP. So you can go ahead and you can easily set this by simply clicking on edit from the upper left hand side and then go into preferences. Now from here on the left hand side you want to click on default image, and here you will find the default new image. You can select a template, so that could be whatever it is that you want. So let's say I'm going to scroll down and I will choose, let's say, 4K, right? For example, display 4K. I can select this, and as you can see right away, it set the image size. And now I can just work with these as is, as we can see right here. And yeah, once you're satisfied, you click on OK from here. At any point in time you want to change that, create something new, you can always go ahead and know that it's going to be in that size. So if you want to change it back, you go into edit, preferences, and on the left hand side, you go to default image, and you can always select a new template. Whatever it is that you choose, you can always choose that. So if you're fine with, let's say, the basic full HD size, you can select it, then just simply click and OK. And that's it. So that's how you can easily set your default image size in GIMP.